Landmark lawsuit. Some elite female ski jumpers are claiming Vanoc is violating their charter rights by holding events for male ski jumpers and none for women. And as Aaron MacArthur reports, the lawsuit has Vanoc and the IOC blaming each other for the decision.
At the ski jumping world championships in the Czech Republic this year, there was no gender exclusion. The women were front and center. Lindsay Van put down a jump approaching 100 meters to win the event, a distance easily as good as most male competitors. But results, it seems, don't matter. There will be no jumping in 2010.
I'm just trying to think positive about this, and that we're going to have a positive result out of this, and that the court does say that Vanoc has to follow the law, the charter here.
So who's responsible for keeping the women off the Callahan Valley Hill? The jumpers are suing Vanoc. But Vanoc is pointing its fingers at the IOC, telling the court they're caught in the middle.
The reality is that the decision is made by the IOC. There's a process in place from the IOC that involves international experts in sport who determine whether or not a sport has met the Olympic standards. And that decision is not one that rests with organizing committees, it rests with the IOC.
But there are now some questions about who actually made that decision. An interview done with a top IOC official by a documentary crew in 2007 indicates it was the Canadian Olympic Committee requesting just a minimal amount of ski jumping events for 2010.
The problem of Canada was when we discussed the issue of ski jumping in Canada, we have been requested by the Canadian organizing committee to reduce all the development program to do just the necessary jumping here for the game, because they made a study, a thorough study through Canada, that it was no development hope in Canada.
No matter who made the decision, the ski jumpers hope they can convince the judge Vanoc is an arm of the Canadian government and as such is required to uphold the Charter of Rights and Freedoms and get equal access to the podium in 2010.
In another courtroom today,